Hello, hey, hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make this towel hanger made from a mop handle and also a jute rope. It is super easy and it took me less than 10 minutes to make them. So let's start. First up, you'll be needing a jute rope. I bought 2 meters of them, and also a mop handle. This is only 2 ringgit each, and this mini saw that I love, it is only 2 ringgit as well, and this part is optional. I bought this spray paint from Mr. DIY. You can choose any color that you want or leave it next. Bunch of screws and also a screwdriver. Alright, so first up, take your mop handles. Right now I am measuring 2 feet for each handle. You guys can totally do more or less, totally up to you guys. And after you guys have marked it, you guys can cut it. Now I'm cutting using my mini saw. After you have cut them, now it is time to sand them. This part right here is totally optional. I am choosing this white spray paint. You guys can choose any color you like. And right now I am taking the jute rope and measuring 12 inches from each point where I will be inserting the wooden rod. And after that, you just tie a knot at each point where you have marked for the wooden rod to come in. And right now you just take the wooden rod and insert it at the knot that you have made at each point. After all of the rod has been secured into place, now it's time to take a screw and your screwdriver just to make sure that it doesn't move. And for the end part of the jute rope, I'm just going to cut off the excess and I'm going to untangle them and let it have this frilly look to it. Alright, so that's all from me for today's video. And if you guys love this kind of video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on so you will be notified every time I posted a brand new video. And also be sure to follow me on all of my social media, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All the links down below. And yeah, I guess that is all from me today, so bye!